Is your Lexus GX460 key fob range decreasing, or are buttons becoming unresponsive? It likely means it's time to change the battery. The Lexus GX460 model's 2010-2022 key fob uses a CR1632 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. Make sure you have a new CR1632 battery ready. You'll also need a small plastic pry tool or a flathead screwdriver wrapped in tape to avoid scratching the fob casing. Work in a well-lit, static-free area. Consider a silicone-based contact enhancer for the battery terminals, especially if you live in a humid climate, to prevent corrosion. First, gently pry open the key fob casing along the seam using your plastic tool. The case is held together by snap-fit connectors. Once open, carefully remove the old CR1632 battery using a non-conductive tool. Note the battery's orientation. The positive plus side faces up. Insert the new CR1632 battery with the positive side up. Ensure the battery is properly seated. Snap the key fob case back together, ensuring it's fully closed. Test the fob's functionality by pressing the buttons within 10 feet of your GX460. The lights should flash, or the doors should unlock. Properly dispose of the old battery at a recycling center.